guys, it's Biscuit. So how's everybody doing? So I am in nail school, and I actually technically I was on the phone with husband, and I forgot to press record, of course, but I did kind of catch it towards the end when I was done with this set of nails. I kind of got a little bit of fall inspired, so I did some gray with like a wine color, and I kind of marbled the middle nail, and I did like a outline V on the pinky. So yeah, I was just sharing what I did in nail school, and hopefully you guys are remaining safe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. I do have a lot more videos coming for you guys, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys have been giving me. Let's keep this thing going. Let's keep rocking. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Any questions you want me to answer. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A live actually on my YouTube. So get your questions ready for me so I can answer. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.